Back in the building again, we know the thing already.
They probably like, OJ, who? Because we've been gone absentee for a good minute now. But as you guys know, I mean, we're just transitioning through a lot. We have baby boy coming soon.
It's a makeup that put your teeth in.
Really?
Hold on.
Where?
There you go.
Thank you, baby. Good looking out. Yeah, so we got baby boy on the way. You know, we're still transitioning into home ownership, and it's just a lot, y'all. But we thought about you guys. We missed you guys, and here we are.
Yeah, man, you know, say, we have to come through, we're gonna follow, you know, update and them things. So. Yeah, man.
Absolutely. And a big reason why we've been missing you guys is because I was like trying to really focus on putting it together. As some of you guys know, I was working on an online course to teach people how to do recruiting, and that took up a significant amount of my time. But if anybody's interested in that, I'll leave the link in the description box below. It's great if you have a family, you want more work-life balance, maybe you're a recent graduate, you're trying to figure out a career path, maybe you want a new career. I mean, really the sky's the limit. Recruiting, anybody can do it. So if it's something that you're interested in, check out the link below. I'll put down the link to the course as well as the link to just join my email list if you just want to learn a little bit more about what it is.
Yeah, it's a nice course. It's affordable. Go and check out the course. You know, getting up out of your bed sometime early in the morning time is kind of crazy. So if you want to kind of change it up, work from home, do what you do, you know, make a little bit more money, start a new career, check out the online course.
Yes, I worked really hard on it. It's a lot of good information in there, and it also comes with a free consultation. So after you take the course, if you still have questions about recruiting, I'll be sure to give you a call so we can chop it up a little bit. So that is that.
I want to touch on one more thing before you leave recruiting.
Yeah, baby.
Recruiting is one of those things that you can recruit for anybody. You can recruit for the biggest company at the top, or the lowest company at the bottom, or the lowest workplace at the bottom. It's one umbrella. And once you're good at what you do, sky's the limit. So you can be recruiting for a Fortune 500 company, or you can be recruiting for, you know, Walmart. Doesn't even matter. It's the same recruiting. It's nothing different. The recruiting is one of the only things that operates like that. Once you're a good recruiter, you can recruit for anybody.
For anybody.
For pharmaceuticals, for hospitals, you know, for the biggest companies that you can think of, for the technical field, for, you know, media, whatever it is, recruiting, one umbrella. So
and it pays you.
You can recruit from the bottom to the top.
Yes, and it pays. And I work from home 2 days a week, so O and I, we get to get a lot accomplished, especially when baby gets here. I'm really gonna be appreciative of that. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, check it out.
Yeah, man, get that shit. All right.
All right.
What else you want to talk about?
So we are here to give you guys a third trimester pregnancy update. You guys got the first trimester update, and then second trimester we kind of just went MIA. So I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what's going on. Baby is okay. Actually, we recently had an ultrasound, but we didn't get the best picture. So the most recent one we have of him is at 18 weeks. Right now we are 29 weeks. We'll be 30 weeks this Wednesday. But I'll be sure to drop a picture of baby there so you can see what he looked like 10 weeks ago. And obviously now he's probably way more developed.
Yeah, man, the man I get big, man.
He's a grown adult at this point.
Half yard man, half American.
Yeah, Jamaican. Shout out to the Jamaicans out there, you know. What else? So yeah, I just really wanted to tell you guys what I've experienced during the third trimester. Some things that maybe if you're pregnant, what you can expect, what you may experience, or what maybe you have experienced during some of your pregnancies. But what I really found to be refreshing for the second and the third trimester that I didn't have in the first trimester was I got a lot more energy. First trimester, I was really tired. I was having these cramps. I guess they're like Braxton Hicks type of cramps. And then as the pregnancy progressed, second and third trimester, I noticed that I got a lot more energy. The nausea subsided, so I didn't feel nauseous every day. My appetite picked up. O can tell you, like, always asking him for food, or can we go to the store? Can I get
snacks? She always hungry, man.
Always hungry. So I was really excited about that because I started to get a little bit concerned because I wasn't gaining any weight the first trimester. My doctor was was like, girl, you need to eat. So that was a big plus. But it also came with some negatives. I would say that the second and third trimester definitely comes with some discomfort. I now walk with like a little limp, and it ain't like a pimp walk. It's like more like a disability type of thing. It ain't nothing pimping about it or sexy or none of that. But you know, it's a part of I guess just the process, carrying all this weight. Your pelvis is just not used to that type of pressure. So sleeping has become a little bit more challenging. I'm a stomach sleeper, guys, so you can only imagine being pregnant has changed that for me. Like I usually
change that up in you're a stomach sleeper, girl.
What? Anyway, yes. So now I'm having to sleep on my back or my side, and that's just a headache. I feel like my stomach gets bigger every single day. So it's, you know, it's just like getting out of bed, getting into a car. All of that can just be a hassle. But you know, I know it'll all be worth it when my baby gets here. But these are just some things that I didn't experience as much in the first trimester, if at all. And then maybe even a little bit of hormonal, I don't know. O said that I did really well throughout my pregnancy, like not to be crazy. Cause you know, they say sometimes you have mood swings and you kind of get out of pocket a little bit. And O said I was doing really well. I think we had one outburst. I don't know if you want to talk about it. we had a little outburst one of these days about the door not being locked, and I kind of went off the hinges. But I don't know if that was hormones or not, ladies. Do y'all man leave the door unlocked? Let me know if your man leaves the door unlocked, and if he does, is that a reason to turn up, or was it the hormone? What do you think?
Well, to be honest with you,
I did well throughout the whole pregnancy.
When you have a gangster in the cabin, you don't mind the door left open because nobody would dare try to come through my door. With that being said and done, at the end of the day, sometimes, you know, she just probably go over the top with it. She just goes over the top with it. You know, it's before she said to me, baby, you left the door unlocked, you know. Instead of that, over the top. You know?
Well, that's because he thought he was taking me as a joke.
I just want them pregnant thing, man. I just feel like it's one of them pregnant things. But apart from that, it's all good.
Yeah. And other than that, I can't really think of too much else. I mean, bodily changes, I can say that personally, well, I have gained like 30 pounds, but I don't see it in my physique. I think it's more so just all baby. Breasts, they have changed a little bit, you know.
Titty them are grown.
They grown, yeah. They bigger, and they changed a little bit. They look a little bit different, but it's okay, long as I can still keep them up. Shake them when it's time.
You'll be alright.
So yeah, so far so good, you guys. And again, we are 29 weeks. We'll be 30 weeks on Wednesday, which means there will be 10 weeks before baby arrives, and there's still so much to do. One thing that we did accomplish, put up the baby's crib. So I'll drop some footage in there, and you can see him doing his thing. He really made that look easy, you know. Made it look real easy.
We got a rocking chair for the baby that his grandma bought for him. That took time to put up, and it's just a damn rocking chair, and it's just crazy.
But it's so comfortable, and it's so relaxing, y'all. Like, this rocking chair will put you to sleep. Like, it's the business. So, like, if you are looking for a rocking chair for your baby, check out the link in the description box below. We'll drop that down there. It's a really comfortable rocking chair, and it's cool. I'm pretty sure you'll have no problems putting your infant to sleep in that. And then as far as the crib goes, it's like it's a transforming type of bed, so it's designed to save you money.
It's dope. It's beautiful.
Yes,
it's different.
Your baby can live in that bed for what would you say, like the first 5 years, or?
To be honest with you, it all depends on how big your baby is, because if he's not such a big kid, he probably could use it. He'd be using that till he's 7 years old, because it converts from a crib to a day bed, from a day bed to a regular bed. So it's pretty dope.
Yeah,
pretty
from
dope.
crib to day bed to a twin size bed, and I mean, however long you want your kid to sleep in that twin size bed, it's fair game. So you could definitely save a lot by hollering at that bed. So check out the link in the description below if that's something you're interested in. I think it's cool. We still got to buy a mattress for it, and we still got to put some other things in his room, but for the most part he'll be sleeping with us. So
we got some more time. We got several more months, so we trying to figure out. I ain't gonna be in there for no, you know, babies are, you can't, you know, his room is upstairs, ours is downstairs. He's gonna be downstairs with us for a while, so we still put his room together, you know?
Yeah.
So with that being said, we're still working on that. What else you want to talk to them about?
Really, I don't have a whole lot. I mean, I just kind of wanted to touch base with you guys, let y'all know that we are still here. Shout out to all of our new subscribers. We've been seeing you guys come in, and we see you. We appreciate you for not only stopping by but subscribing. We definitely have more content for you guys. We have our 1 year anniversary coming up soon.
1 year anniversary coming up. That means the Jamaican and the American stuck together, and it was real.
Sticking together.
And we do a lot together at the same time. So all the people out there with the ideology that are saying that, oh, you know, this and that, or I've got a, you know, I met a Jamaican and it's like this, and I don't know if that want to go that way or if it's real or whatever. Definitely, give it a shot.
Yeah.
Give life a shot. You find a good little Jamaican man, give it a shot. Give it a shot.
Yeah.
Jamaican man, you find a nice American woman, give it a shot. Love that American woman. Give it a shot. Give it a try. Don't, you know, make because people have their own stereotypical things to say about a Jamaican or about an American, because American females, American ladies, let me say this. There's a lot of people that got some stereotypes against y'all too. But I would tell any one of my Jamaican brothers that you find a nice American woman, man, give that shit a shot. Give love a shot. Give it a shot, take a chance with it, see what it is. You never know where it could lead to. You know, me and John are almost going in 3 years now. Just by giving it a shot, just by saying, you know what, I ain't gonna listen to the typical stereotype thing. And she said the same thing, hey, I ain't gonna follow that stereotype thing. And we're here today, you know, accomplish a lot.
Yeah.
Have a lot together, you know, own things together, wanna, you know,
and it's just the beginning too. Like,
and this is still a beginning phase.
Yeah.
3 years might seem like it's a long time. Nah, we still, this is just the beginning phase.
Right.
We have a lot more to accomplish, a lot more to do, a lot more to own, a lot more to take on, and a lot more. You know, it's a lot more.
A lot of the people that reach out, ladies, we get a lot of, well, he's moving so fast, and how do I know it's real? You know, we've touched on this before. A lot of Jamaican men will move fast because the cultural difference between Jamaica and America and how people are groomed to move when they want something is very different. So more than likely a Jamaican man, he just knows what he wants. Like, since Owen and I met, we've been on the go. We haven't stopped moving since we met each other. And I could have easily been scared and said, oh, he's moving too fast. But I mean, when your goals are aligned, if you know what you want and this person know what they want, then what are you afraid of? We met, a year later we were engaged, 10 months later we were married, 5 months later we were pregnant, 4 months later we bought a house, and I mean, we rolling. That's just how we do. So.
As a Jamaican man, I got the blueprint. My wife got the know-how. With the blueprint and the know-how, nothing stops us. That's the formula. And if you see, you know, if you're in a situation where you see a Jamaican man want, you know, to take certain steps, to make certain moves, it's just to get the relationship phase out of it. And then start moving towards greatness. Because in any interaction or any, you know, coming together or any relationship, there's a relationship phase where you're wondering, should I do this, should I not do this? Once you pass that relationship phase, then it's
magic can happen.
That's how you start acquiring things, accomplishing things, making moves, getting the real shit done. Because it's not the relationship, you know, that's the relationship is not the big part. If you want to accomplish some things in life, sometimes you gotta move, you gotta get past the relationship part of it and start making moves. And if you sit down wondering, is this real? It's too, why is it moving so fast? What this and that? Then the relationship phase will take a long while.
And that's not to say ignore red flags or
exactly.
ignore somebody that's not treating you well or something that don't feel
Definitely. But you should know, certain signs. And if you don't see no signs and it's flowing, give it a chance. What's the worst that could happen?
Yes. What's
the worst that really could happen? Sit back, ask yourself, how many relationships have I been in that, just went like that? Oh, this is just another one. And watch where that goes. As I said again, I got the blueprint. My wife got the know-how. This is not Jamaica, this is America. With that being said, at the end of the day, she's the one that lives here. I'm the one that came here. So, I trust her judgment. And she also trusts my blueprint, where I'm coming from.
And two heads are better than one.
I'm coming from the crazy place that we do things a certain type of way, but still get the job done.
And his drive is enormous.
The drive that I got is crazy.
His drive knocks me out the water. His drive make me want to go hard. His drive make me say, okay, what can we make shape? And so I think in the Jamaican American dynamic, you can benefit from somebody who comes from a place where they gotta grind super hard for everything.
Definitely. Definitely. Give that a shot.
Yeah.
Give it a shot. Don't be scared of it. As I said again, we get a lot of people with a lot of different stories about what's going on. I respond to the majority of it. Majority of the time, it's the female that's speaking about her Jamaican man or whatever it is. Oftentimes, man don't like to speak about certain things. So even if an American man met a Jamaican female, they ain't gonna talk too much about it because they feel like, oh, my man, I'm not supposed to talk about it. But we open to talk with anyone about certain situations, man. Shoot us the situation, let us know what's going on. And even if you're an American man that meets, as I said again, a Jamaican female, talk to us about it. If you're a Jamaican man that meets an American female, talk to us about it. The females can respond a lot regardless of where they're from.
Women are vocal.
Women are vocal and brave. And they make their steps. They see what they want majority of the time. Some of the times they're iffy. And to be honest with you, they never iffy about them. They're always iffy about what they heard.
Yeah.
What a friend tell them. What somebody else's experience is. Mm-hmm. It's never about what they want to do. So that is kind of sketchy.
For sure. So with all that being said, guys, yes, we have our 1 year anniversary coming up next month. So we're going to touch base with y'all around that time and kind of do a little, maybe a Q&A. Drop some questions down below if you have any. But we really just want to kind of tell y'all, they say the first year of marriage is the hardest.
Give us some idea.
So we want to kind of tell y'all.
Give us some idea. Yeah, give us some ideas to what you think we should do for 1 year anniversary.
Especially when you're pregnant, because that's
that too. We can't turn up too much. So give us some idea what y'all think we should do. We might cram it in together and make a wonderful day. We'll give you all the opportunity to do that. So tell us what we should do. What are some of the things, some of the suggestions that we can do for the 1 year anniversary?
Locally.
Yeah, we can. I don't want her flying right now. I don't want her flying. Going.
I mean, we kind of got something in mind, but just drop some hints.
Yeah, let's give us some idea what y'all think I should do for the great J, for the birthday, for the anniversary, and
yeah,
and let me know. Probably I could cram them all in one, and if some of these ideas is really great, then we might film it and see what it is, and show y'all who ideas we used or how that worked. Definitely.
Yeah, but other than that, I think that's it, honey. Is there anything else you got?
Well, that's about it. I want to big up on yourself, because you know it go already. We love the support and we love the subscribers and we love our fans and our viewers then. And yeah, just keep watching the vlog and keep supporting the thing already. Oh no, subscribe already. Get a shot. Subscribe, get a chat, and sit down and talk with OJ Merge, because we correspond with our people. We correspond with the subscriber, we correspond with the fan base, we correspond with the audience.
And it lets us know that y'all are there, y'all are real, y'all give a fuck.
No, I mean if them real.
I mean, you know, makes it more tangible, you know?
Alright then, as I say again, now OJ merge, you know. I say merge husband, merge wife, merge life. Boom.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only cheek. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.